How to sign out of YouTube Kids. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will learn how we can sign out of YouTube Kids. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, open up YouTube Kids, and if you're already logged in, and now if you want to log out, navigate to top right corner and then tap on your settings icon. If you have said your passcode, you have to enter your passcode. If not, then you have to answer these questions on this interface. Then tap on submit. So once you're here, or once you land on the settings, if you navigate on this interface, there is this option that says use YouTube Kids signed out. Then tap on this option here. Now confirm by tapping on sign out. Now with that, you are signed out of your account on YouTube Kids, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.